took you, gave you love. I gave you all that I have inside.
Happy Sunday, y'all. First of all, let me say, I know I look crazy. I don't look crazy. Anyways, I just like washed my hair. I dyed it black and washed it and all of that. So I'm just putting on this like a steam cap that I had for years and years and years. I bought it out from Amazon. I'm just putting on the steam cap. Yes, I'm just here chilling, just catching up on some YouTube videos. So on the agenda today, this ain't no Sunday reason. It is Sunday, but it ain't none of that, because let me tell you how I am. I clean throughout the week, and most of the times I clean on Fridays. I think Fridays, because most of the time Fridays is when I, change my bedding and stuff like that. So once I change my bedding, I'm gonna sweep, I'm gonna wipe, I'm gonna dust, I'm gonna do all of that. So most of the times I clean on Fridays, and I sweep and wipe throughout the week. Once I feel like an inch of dirt on the floor, my ass is gonna sweep and wipe. Which reminds me, I need to get a steamer. My friend said I'm supposed to get a steamer for the floor, and I believe I'm gonna get one. I have been looking on Amazon and I found a few. So I'm planning to get that sometime next year. But yeah, so on the agenda, I think in the last vlog I told you guys I got some clothing for my family, so we're gonna go through that. Big garbage bag of clothing for charity, and of course that's gonna go to the persons affected by the hurricane. So that's on the agenda for today. This morning I went to my mom's house and I got stew peas, just stew peas only. Oh, the heat on my ears, hold on. Yeah, so got stew peas from mom. So I do have some rice that I had like a couple days ago, so I'm gonna have that for dinner today. I have sweet potato and Irish, so I'm gonna cook probably just an Irish just to have that as a side, as vegetable, because I don't have no vegetable, and vegetables are so expensive these days. Like, guys, the food prices are just gonna go up and up and up. Melissa really did a number on us. Yeah, but this is going to be just a short Sunday daily vlog. Yeah, so we're gonna do the clothing. I'm really feeling to eat. What time is it? It's 2:07. Yeah, 2:07. I'm really feeling hungry. So I don't know, I'll figure it out. But that we're gonna sort out, and then we're gonna just binge and lie in bed all day. We have nothing to do, no plans. You see me in my nightie, I did like shower and wash my hair, and I went back into my pajamas. Like, I just wanna just relax for today. It's just so crazy that the year is ending. Like, December is coming in 2 weeks. It's just so crazy. So I don't know if I told you guys that I did sold my couch that I had. So my living room is still empty. It's coming up on 1 year since I've moved at this location. December is gonna make it 1 year that I've been at this location, and I still haven't bought a couch. I still haven't bought a couch, y'all. And yeah, I'm really chilling. Like, this whole, yeah, I don't know, but I'm planning on buying a couch. I have seen some on Amazon and I've seen some here locally, but I'm really thinking to get like a green couch. I'm feeling the green vibe. I don't think I want a gray or a black. I'm feeling the green vibe, because I think based on, I don't want the traditional gray, black, beige type of vibe, because in my bedroom I'm gonna do more towards beige in my bedroom when I'm ready to decorate. So I just really think I want like a pop of color. So the green is giving me a vibe to get a green couch. So whatever, probably made somewhere next year in the mid-year, I'm gonna start doing that. It's just not in my immediate plans right now. One, I spend most of my time in the bedroom. Two, I don't have company over like that. But I really tired of the bed in some sense, so I know I want to like put my energy and money in the living area. So sometime next year we're gonna work on that, but for now we're not gonna do that. I am gonna put up my Christmas tree. Okay, remember I did a video, I have my Christmas tree. I'm gonna put that up probably month end, or I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna put that up month end. Yeah, I'm gonna put up my Christmas tree. I'm gonna use the same decor, same color, everything. I don't think I'm gonna add or remove anything. Yeah, because yeah, I don't think, yeah, I'm gonna just use the same Christmas tree. And there's reason for that too, because you know, I don't have no furniture in the living area slash kitchen, which is so tiny. So I don't see the purpose of changing any color or whatever. If I had my couch and whatever, everything was decor. If I had a full-on living area slash kitchen, then I probably would have like changed the colors and all of that for the Christmas tree. But I really don't see the purpose of it. So yeah. What else? Yeah, but that's it. When I start looking in I'm gonna have to change because I'm gonna be on the floor going into that big garbage bag to view the clothing. We have to look at it before we drop them off at the donation place. So I'm gonna change and then we're gonna get cracking into, you know, sorting out these clothing. Alright guys, this is the big garbage bag, so we're gonna get into it. It's a lot of clothes actually. Oh Lord, guys, I'm super starving. I probably should have started probably should have just had dinner before I did this. I'm really starving. By the way, I only had cereal and oats this morning and it's 2 o'clock. Oh my god, this garbage rain is annoying. Alright, let's see. Oh, this is, oh, by the way, some of my niece clothing is in here, and I know somebody specifically that had asked me if my niece have any, you know, clothes because somebody's in need. So, and I'm not sure if you guys can even see. Hold on. Yeah. Okay. Y'all can see now. This is cute. That's a go. Socks. Can never go wrong with socks. Let me see if it's clean enough. Okay, good quality. Socks. Okay, this is an adult top. Yep, good to go. Child thing. Alright, let me separate the children's stuff. I forgot to do that. Because gotta separate them. Oh, this is cute. Oh wow, this is very nice. Very, very nice. These are shorts. Cute. This is a kiddies jeans. Cute. Cute. So, let me see this. Alright, this one I'm gonna, because of the color. Sorry, because of this color, I don't think I'm gonna put it into go. Shorts. What's this? This is like a jacket. It's another jacket. It's in good condition. Lots of nice jeans in here. Oh, this is cute. Alright, so everything looks good except just these two stuff. They're white and, you know, it's not fully white. It's looking off-white and kind of like a dirty white. So I'm not going to put these in the donation box. So I'm just going to dispose of these two items. So everything else is good to go. And there's some cute, decent stuff. So, thank you, Ked. Alright. I'm gonna pack these up. I just put the Irish on the stove. I'm really starving. I wanted the sweet potato instead, but you know sweet potato take long for boil. So I'm just gonna do the Irish potato only. So I'm gonna pack these up, and then yeah, I think probably in the week, I'm gonna drop these off. So I finished had dinner around probably like an hour ago, and I have been watching Everybody Hates Chris on YouTube. Like, YouTube these days is a vibe. Like, you can watch a full on movie on YouTube. You can watch the TV shows. Like, YouTube is just awesome. And then of course the vlogs. Like, I'm a vlog girl. I vlog. Love watching people who vlog. Like, YouTube is such a vibe. Like, any movie you want, majority of the movies, if you want to watch, like, just search them and the full movie is on YouTube. Like, that's a vibe. But anyway, I did tell you guys this would have been like a Sunday daily vlog, but to tell you the truth, guys, like, from I had dinner, I've just been lying in my bed, literally watching TV. Okay. I did finish pack out the clothes and stuff to separate the children's clothing from the adults. So whenever I do drop that off, I will let you guys know. In the interim for the rest of the day, guys, I'm just gonna being watch Everybody Hates Chris. I've been doing that for quite a couple of days now, until I'm ready to move over to Netflix and chill for the rest of the Sunday evening. The girl have no plans. She's just relaxing. I may go for ice cream. I'm not sure yet. I do have ice cream in my fridge, but I have no cone. Like, ice cream without cone is just not it. It's not giving. I love me a cone, okay? If I'm buying ice cream like outside, like, I have to have a cone. Like, I don't buy ice cream in cup, okay? I'm just saying. But I'm home and no cone, and the girl is not going to no supermarket. I've been out of cone though for a while, so I think when I go to the supermarket again, I need to remember to pick up a box of cone and another ice cream, because what's left, that's just like one round and that's done. Because I did have ice cream the other night. Monday tomorrow, I'm looking forward to it. Not really, but we gotta do what we gotta do. We gotta work to make a living and live. So yeah, that's the vibe, y'all. I will, catch up with you guys if I'm up to anything. Let me go watch back Everybody Hates Chris. Oh God, Everybody Hates Chris. It's
somebody say that a love like that won't last. Didn't I give you all that I got to give, baby? I gave